Ayun, early yung ulan natin guys. So, ayun. Masaya yung mga halaman natin for today's morning guys. Ayun, kasi umulan. Ako, masaya silang lahat. Kasi talaga guys, nabasa sila sa ulan early in the morning. It's a blessing. Thank you Lord. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa blessings for today's morning. Happy Sunday to all. Ayun, guys. Masaya ang mga halaman natin sa labas. Nabasa din sila at nakaligo. Ayun, early yung ulan natin, guys. Mabasa-basa tayo at maputik. Yun lang guys, ang update natin. Thank you so much for this morning. Ayun. Maraming salamat.